Hi Best Fiends fans, today I'll be showing you how to make bow with polymer clay. We are starting off with a blue ball of clay, so a kind of light blue, so just mix in white and a bit and a dash of blue, and you are going to form a teardrop. Then we are going to use navy blue and just cut out a shape that kind of looks like an 8 with a heart at one end. Place this on top of Bo's head and push down. Now we are going to cut out some white clay and again push it on top of Bo's head. Form the eye sockets with the ball and the tool. Make 2 balls of white clay and push the eyes in the sockets. Now draw a smile. Shape the upper lip. Now add again some navy decorations on top and push down. We are now adding some details to the tail. So simply start with a tiny ball of navy clay, shape it into a teardrop by pinching one side, and then push it onto the tail. We are going to have 2 teardrops on each side. And we are going to do the same for the head, for the 2 antennas. Use the same technique to make the legs, and to make the fingers, just cut the paw in 3 and shape. Now I'm using some dry pastel to brush all over and give it some shading. Now this can also be done after baking with some acrylic paint if you don't have dry pastels. And then bake. After baking, make 2 dots of black paint for the eyes. Now add the dot of white onto the eye, varnish the eyes, and we are done. Thank you so much for watching. For more Best Fiends tutorials, subscribe to the Best Fiends YouTube channel and let me know in the comments what kind of do-it-yourself you'd like to see next. And to see more of my videos, check out my YouTube page at petitplat.fr. Bye!